corner. Glad that you're here. Today we're going to do a couple of wooden coasters using a bloom technique. So I'm going to lay down some pillow paint. Some Deco Art Gold, TLP Violet Rain, really nice sheen on it. Deco Art Aquamarine, TLP Golden Peach, Deco Art Silver, TLP Twinkle, cell activator is Amsterdam titanium white with Aussie Floetrol 2-to-1. Try to get that a little bit more centered. Apologies for my big old head getting in the way there. You can see cells starting to pop up pretty nicely. Let's give it a little spin. Make sure we got good coverage and try to get rid of the excess. Beautiful. Love the cells and the lacing. I even like the little non-cells section over here. Kind of gives it a little bit of character. Let's torch it a little bit. Get rid of any air bubbles. Number one. I'm going to use these same colors, but try to put them down in different orders. See how that impacts the final product. There's our pillow. This was the first one we did. And here's the second. Here's the third. We got that gold and the peach to start standing out. This one might be my favorite. Number 4 might be my favorite. I'm not sure, but maybe. Here's the last one. All I think gorgeous. Thank you so much, Shelly, for sharing your talents with us. Guys, let me know what you think down in the comments. Please subscribe and like, and we'll see you on the next video.